my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, if you're new here, welcome, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, already a part of the Diva family, welcome back, loves. Okay, guys, today I got for you another Valentine's DIY. It can be used as decor, or you can give it as a gift, okay? We're going to get into that in a minute, but first, let me introduce myself. If you are new here, I am Diva Decorating, and on this channel, I do DIYs, home decor, room tours, grocery and shopping hauls, a little bit of cooking, tablescapes, and much, much more. So if that's something that you like or that you know someone else likes, then you're in the right place. Okay, guys, we're going to get into the DIY, but first, you know what to do. Go grab your favorite drink and let's get crafting. Guys, so I have my drink already, and my drink of choice today is some good old coconut milk. Yes, I'm drinking coconut milk, guys. Yeah, I try to make myself drink milk just for the nutritional value a couple times a week, maybe twice a week. And I'm going to take me a little sip right now. And I'm going to set that aside. And these are the items that we're going to be using today. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. So it's very economical, very easy, and very fun to make. So let's get started. Okay, so I have this bowl right here, and I have this red saucer that came from the Dollar Tree. And the first thing we are going to do is we are going to take our little bowl here. You can use any bowl. And we're going to take some E6000. I don't have a lot. Here's what I got. And then we're going to take our hot glue gun and put some glue all over it. And then I'm just going to set my bowl in the middle. So I'm going to turn that over. And I'm going to set it right in the middle of my saucer here. Okay, then I'm going to turn it back over, and I have these red roses here, and I'm going to just pop them off, and we're going to glue them to this side. And that's how it looks. And we're going to go all the way around as close as possible, so our bowl won't show. That's how it's looking so far. Looks. Next, we're going to get a fork, and we're going to bend it to this shape, and I used these to bend. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our E6000, and wherever we want to place our fork, okay, we're going to place it. generous amount. And then we're going to just put some glue all on top of this so it'll hold it in place. And then we're just going to hold it in place until it sets. I've waited 24 hours for this to dry, and that's how it's looking. And now I'm just going to turn the piece over, and I'm going to stick some E6000s to this side because it'll be easier to do it this way. So then I'm going to flip it back over, and I got a little setup here. I'm going to use these pineapple chunks and this ribbon because it's going to be top heavy, so I want to set it on something where it can hold it, and I'm going to stick it like right on the inside here. Then I'm going to put a whole bunch of hot glue again around it on the sides. And all this glue is going to hold it in place until it's dry for another 24 hours. Please use more E6000 than I did. It's just what I have left, so I'm working with what I have left. But if you want to make this yourself, mind you, you're going to need a lot of E6000 to make sure that holds down. And I'm just going to leave this right now so it can dry for hours, and in 24 hours it dry. And as you can see, my floating cup is all ready now. It's all good and dry. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to finish it up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these flowers that I have right here. These are some wildflowers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to pull them off. And I'm going to start placing them inside my cup. Now you can put them as far back in the cup as you want. Just turn around here. Now I'm just covering up the fork part with the flowers so you don't see them. So that's how it's looking so far. I'm even going to put some on the back here. There we have it. That's how it's looking so far. Now I'm going to take my little teddy bear here, which I have tied a nice little ribbon around, and I'm going to set my teddy bear over here. I'm going to glue him over here on the side. Could put it in the front, but that would cover up the flowers. So I'm going to glue him to the side over here. That's how it's looking. Now I'm going to take these, which I have purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to pop them off the sticks, and I'm just going to glue them somewhere inside the flowers. I have these also that I'm going to glue somewhere over here. And that's how it's looking so far. And I'm going to take this red rose here. I want to cover up this right here, and I'm going to stick it right there for the glue. That's how it's looking. I think I'm going to even put one of these hearts in the back. Set it on its side. Okay, now guys, I'm going to take my candy. I'm going to just spread a little candy on here, kisses. And we have us a candy bowl, a floating cup candy holder. This could be used as a centerpiece, guys, or you can make this and give it as a gift. And that's how it's looking. Guys, don't forget, if you like this video and you like this DIY, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Just hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything. And also, don't forget to comment and share. And if you haven't already, and if you're not a family member of mine, please consider subscribing and pushing that bell twice so you'll know every time I upload new videos. Bye-bye, my loves.